This is gonna be interesting. Miniguns. Okay.
Yeah. You're not gonna believe what I just got. I just got faster bullets.
I just got magazine extension.
Or I could get flame on or lucky day. I'm getting flame on actually.
I got magazine extension.
Oh my.
Oh goodness. Oh my. I feel like our bullets are smaller too. Wait.
I know, it's kind of weird.
Wait, does faster bullets or... Yeah, it would probably be faster bullets. Does that actually make your bullets smaller? I bet it might, maybe.
It might, actually.
Where did you go? I hear a grenade.
Where did you come from?
Oh my goodness, it's like instantly reload.
Goodness. Hopefully my shots register this time.
Yeah, oh goodness.
Oh my. I have a lower ping, which is good, but...
Ah. You check that here, I think, right? Yeah, you
Oh my goodness, we shoot so insanely fast. Oh my.
Oh.
Oh my.
Boom! 57,
You can't
57.
do that.
50,
Wait, you did damage to me?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know if it like registered because I was still at like 40 health or something. I don't really remember, but you're
Yeah,
dead.
I was very close to death. Ooh.
Oh my goodness.
Also, our bullets are doing 13 damage apiece. It normally does 14, right?
Yeah, I don't know.
Maybe one of the...
Oh, I was stuck. Oh, you got me there.
Maybe one of the upgrades, like, downs it by half or something.
Ooh. Oh, I'll take that. I'll take that. I'll take
I
that.
kind of want... I could have got shotgun. I kind of want shotgun. That did not go
Where did you...
I wanted it to.
Where did you...
Oh my goodness!
I'm stuck! Oh, what? I don't think my shots registered there.
I have aiming, by the way.
Oh.
No! Your fire is annoying. Oh, grenade.
No!
Grenade.
No!
Get grenaded.
No! No! You can't do that! Oh, I'm scared.
I didn't look forward, I don't think.
How do you have more points than me, but... I don't know. Whatever. Maybe I ran out of lives and it abducted 25
Oh, yeah,
points.
yeah,
I bet
it
that's
does, it does. Yeah, it does. I forgot
Yeah.
about that. Where are you? Oh, what? Do you have X-ray?
No, I don't. I just seen you before you saw me.
Oh my.
I'm like, I just got power grenade, but I also got slam.
This, just because I don't.
I'm getting this. I'm getting this right here, guys. Oh my! Just shook my mouse really violently.
Violently. Wait, you spawned there, didn't you? Where is this Cooper at? Oh, there he is.
No, it didn't.
Grenade.
No, it didn't.
Grenade. Oh, you hit the bush thing, I think. It's probably why the slam didn't hit.
Oh my.
Bruh. Fire is so good with this.
Yeah, it actually really is.
And the reload
No, I
speed.
got a headshot and it didn't register.
Oh, that registered.
Oh my.
Just saying that.
Oh no, what'd you do?
No
It
way.
hurt. Whatever you did,
That
it
was a
hurt.
grenade. No!
Oh yes!
Boom!
Oh, that, yeah, me dead.
20 headshot.
Where are you?
Did you not see me? No.
Where are you? Bro, where are you,
Wait,
actually?
fire? Oh,
You
wait,
go-
nice. I just knew you were somewhere. I saw your little things. Oh, there we go.
No, 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 no,
I
no,
hit.
no, 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 no,
I actually
no,
hit
no,
my
no.
shots. Yes. Ooh. Ooh.
Oh, this is gonna be really good for this.
What did you get, homing?
No.
You're almost dead.
What?
What? I heard a slam. Excuse me. Ah, I hit myself with my own grenade. Where'd you go? Boom.
No, no, no.
You almost killed me though. Oh goodness, oh goodness, oh goodness. That hit still? No, no, you're gonna be again with that. No, you poison. That shouldn't exist ever. Boom.
How did you not die, dude? How?
Cause I will survive.
Bro, I can't walk. Wait, what? What was happening there? Oh, they were not registering there. My grenade got you, so I got more points. That's good.
Boom.
Oh,
Aiming.
dude. Okay.
Aiming. That was
Yeah,
really good.
aiming is. I'll take that. I'll take that. What did you just get?
We don't talk about that.
Crap.
Basically, I got explosive bullets.
No, you didn't. I got a critical hit and it didn't register. Dude. At least I got one more shot on you. Where'd you? You're dead.
How'd you know I was gonna spawn there? Boom. Boom.
Oh my
Boom.
goodness!
Boom. Literally explosive
What?
things exist in my
Oh no, I
life.
can't shoot. I can't shoot. Wait, what? Oh yeah, I can.
You.
Oh, no, I didn't actually. I actually couldn't like. I think I wasn't reloaded or something, but that's weird.
No. Shoot you before you explode with things that I don't
Oh,
like.
I'm
your
at
fire
4
grenade.
HP, bruh. 4
Oh.
HP.
If I had fire.
Oh, I just got explosive bullets.
I just got magazine extension again. So I literally have a minigun. Boom. The escape trick. I don't know where you went.
Right there.
I have X-ray,
That's where I
by
went.
the way, if you didn't realize that. You are a person and I don't...
No,
Midair.
no.
There we go. Reset. I already got my, whatever it's called back.
What? Why do you keep... My shot didn't register because I hit you there.
No.
No, what is this game anymore? How did you not...
Explosive
How did you
bullets.
not... How did you not die?
I don't know.
I just
Faster
got
bullets.
multi-shot. I just got multi-shot.
I'm gonna try something. This could ruin the entire game for me, but I'm gonna try it.
Okay. No!
Boom.
How did you... What? I don't have a chance chance to live anymore. So
I
that's not.
got something, but
You
I'm
don't
not gonna
either.
tell you what I got.
Okay. There's a spectator.
Ooh.
No, you can't legally.
Boom.
What?
I
Oh,
say.
actually, what did you get though?
I can't say. I can't tell you. I can't tell you. I can't tell you.
What did you get?
I can't
Spike.
tell you. Oh goodness.
Oh, you little.
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
That was good.
Well, you're not far behind. You are not far
No,
behind.
I'm not far behind. And I just got something that's gonna help me a lot more.
I'm gonna get that. I don't know what I should do there. That's kind of tough. Oh, come on. None of those hit. I fell off.
Yeah, I seen.
You seen?
Yep, I seen.
You seen? Oh my goodness. Where did you exist from? Why?
I have X-ray.
You are a mean person. Because I have it too. Oh goodness. I need to run. You have slam. Right there.
What? Oh, I didn't mean to do that.
Why do you do this to that? There is a spectator, I see that. No!
I'm in the lead again, baby.
I need
Let's go.
certain things.
I just got multi-shot max level.
Wait, I just got water cooling. They joined. They joined. They joined. They joined. They joined. They joined. Oh goodness.
Yes, I got him.
Yeah, you're behind me. You're behind me. You're behind. I feel like I didn't even get
Double
reloaded for that to work. Which doesn't really make sense because we have reload ace to the max.
No, 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 no. I should have been shooting. He left.
Oh, he did. Probably because we have a lot of more OP things.
Yeah.
Where'd you come from? Boom.
Oh my goodness. How are you not dead? Wait, what?
No, you're leading now.
Yeah, baby.
I shouldn't have got it. I shouldn't have got it, but I did.
Ooh. Look at that.
Let me
That'll
get
be
that.
even better.
You have very painful bullets.
Yeah, I know. Oh, I saw that, and I was going to shoot you, and you got me.
But I got you with the laser. Ah.
There we go.
Yeah, I'm definitely glad I did not get maximum swiftness, because I could have gotten it if I wanted it. No, I missed with that. You know what I need? I need homing. No, I didn't fall off. I didn't fall off. No.
But you died. And I have no help. At all.
You're this side, you're on this side, you're on this side.
No, I
You
killed
killed
myself.
yourself. How did that not hit? You like seeing those zeros from your fire stuff?
Hey, I have cooling as well.
Well, guess what? I don't have fire at all, so...
Yeah, but
That's
you
okay.
might at some point. Can't touch this. Boom, baby.
Yeah, I had
Told
no
ya,
health
you can't touch it, baby.
I had no health left. Can't talk.
Yeah. Ooh, excitation. What is that?
No. Oh no, this isn't looking good for me.
I don't know, dude. You can still pull ahead very easily.
Cersei boy. Cersei boy. Boom! No! That missed very bad. Oh!
You killed yourself with your explosions.
Ow!
Oh, you got me. I didn't have any health, though.
How did none of those bullets, like, hit? Are you serious? I hit you with a grenade, though. I heard that.
Oh, I got you, though.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm pulling ahead. I'm pulling ahead a bit.
Yeah, I don't
Good,
like
good.
this. I'm not
Headbutt?
getting...
What does headbutt do?
No, you're not doing this again.
Oh, but I am.
You're mean.
No, I'm not. It's great.
No, it's not. It's terrible. Man. Hit you with the laser. Hit you with the laser. Hit you with that laser.
No, you got me with a stupid grenade.
Boom!
No!
Boom! 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 Oh, boom! Oh, I did.
Oh, you got what? You got launched?
No, boom, because you exploded that. That's why boom. Get back in that house! You didn't make it up here?
No.
Yes!
No, you got me before I could do the thing I wanted to do with the thing.
What were you wanting to
like,
do? What were you wanting to do?
Oh, I don't know.
I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die from falling off. Oh my goodness. I have
Didn't.
2 health left. Now I have 22.
Uh-huh.
I didn't hit with that at all. Okay. Oh, I hit those. Hit with 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 those. Hit those. Nice. Don't know where you went. You're right there. No! I didn't
Boom,
even
baby.
hit you with my grenade. Okay. Oh!
Let's go with that. Let's go with that, actually. That could be good.
Yes. I know your plans. I've got this all figured out. Never mind, you're right there. I didn't know you were going to be right there.
You ran away. Like a
I
little
also hit
scaredy
you with a
boy.
grenade. Boom.
No!
Well, that didn't hit you.
Yeah, there we go, baby.
It hit you.
Ow!
Oh no, I didn't want to do that. It's okay.
Are you scared?
I'm not. I can't say things. Man, I only did one. I did. Yes!
Oh! Whoa!
How did that not hit? How did that not hit? How is nothing? Nothing hit. I hit
Dude,
nothing.
I'm pulling ahead. Let's go,
No.
boys. Headbutt max level. Oh no, you're
You got.
dead.
No,
you
you
were...
didn't.
Yes, I did. I have headbutt max level.
Guess what? I have excitation. I hope it
I do too.
excites you. I don't care if you. Well, actually, I do care a lot if you have that because that's illegal. Oh, that laser had been so close. How did that not hit? So why am I almost dead? It still didn't hit. Okay. Yeah. Okay. What was that, huh? 52.
No, you hit me with that one. I'm definitely gonna die, but... Yep, I'm dead.
Why'd I do that? I
Yeah,
didn't
there's
mean
a spectator. Did you just fall off?
to. Hi! Looking at each other through X-ray.
Oh, I just ripped one, dude.
Oh my goodness. Oh, this is intense.
Yeah, it is a little bit intense. Owie.
And now you're doing these things to me, which I...
Yep, they're great.
No. No.
And I'm gonna die, so.
Of course you are. Why wouldn't you?
Good point. Nope, you're gonna die.
It doesn't mean you won't.
Oh, you're almost dead, though. You're
No,
actually
I'm at
close.
75 health. Actually,
Oh.
no, I'm at 95 now. I have auto repair.
Yeah, I hear it.
That didn't work. That's a lot of numbers, but they're not big.
No! I dead.
Grenade. Ooh. Oh.
Ooh,
I know
what
what
is
this
sticky
does.
grenade? What is sticky grenade? Huh?
I don't know. I have that. You person. Oh, why did that do that?
No, I knew I did.
Or that will happen. That's not what I expected, but I'll take it.
You know what? I'm just not gonna do it. I'm just not gonna go up there, and I don't have to worry about it.
Okay, just give me a second. Oh, you came up, but then you went back down. Bruh, I can't see because you're explosive bullets.
Exactly.
Not when I use my X-ray though. How are you? My laser hit the very corner. That's illegal. That should be illegal. It didn't even hit. Are you serious? I didn't want to do this.
Why ain't my stuff working? I don't know. That's weird.
Why do you do this?
Haha, you're dead, baby. Let's go.
I can't get close to you, bro. I'm already
or
dead.
else you die, baby.
Okay, I'm just gonna tell you, I got sniper and it was a mistake.
Oh.
Yeah.
Earthquake.
Reflected laser, sure, why not? How did that miss? I need homing. Do you have homing?
Yeah, I can tell. I don't actually have homing.
Well, let me tell you something. It feels like there's more people. There's more people.
What? No, there's not. There is.
Yes, there is.
Oh, there is more people.
I killed myself.
No.
That didn't work. But I'll take that. No.
Got you though.
I have reflected laser and it killed me. Are you serious? That is terrible.
Oh no! Okay, he's dead.
No.
Let's go, baby!
This is terrible.
You got me. Magazine extension or better crits?
This is what I need.
Let's go with better crits.
Now.
Let's go with better crits.
This is what I've needed before now. I've needed that, like, before now. Like, if you can't tell, I've needed that before now. Oh, no. This is terrible. You're not in need. I need something to help me get around. I need grappling hook. Which I do not have.
Oh, no, I hit myself!
Yeah, that's... I was gonna throw a grenade on you, but I just can't do anything.
Like, honestly, you should just, like
Yeah, like the video, like the video.
Yeah, like the video while you're at it. It helps. Please like the video and subscribe if you like this content.
Yes!
Please like and subscribe. Oh my! Other guy left again.
Yeah. Unless they just have bad connection.
Which is actually very possible.
I feel like
go,
if
baby.
you die very quickly and instantly like that, your grenades just don't launch. That's what I feel. I feel like this is not right.
Oh, it's right. Trust
No.
me, it's right. I just got sniper. Should I do it?
Yes.
I'm
You
getting
should.
sniper. I'm gonna be nice. Well, actually,
Thank
it
you.
could be really good. I don't know. Sniper was
Actually-
the right decision. Sniper was the right decision.
Yeah,
Oh my
actually,
goodness.
No.
Sniper is so good.
I should have thought
Oh.
about that. Sniper is going to be the right decision because you have stuff that does. You probably have a lot more stuff that does better damage than me.
Yep.
Because all I have is explosive bullets and sharp bullet. I stuck a grenade
that was a
at
really
least.
good decision. Oh, I'm dead. Dude, that was a really good decision by me.
No.
Get sniper.
Hey, I helped with that decision and it was. I regret it.
Yeah, you should.
No!
Where even are you? I seen you.
Boom. Not sure if I should be here. That didn't work. That didn't work. Yes!
Oh, it did work too. Oh. Ooh, lucky day, max level, or reactive
This could
grenade.
actually
You know what?
save my life.
Let's go with crits.
This
Oh,
could
really?
actually save my life. I have not thought about that. You know what? I feel like I might be noticing a difference already, maybe. Ooh.
No, I didn't. I was trying to grappling hook and I wasn't moving, and it cost me my life. Oh, quit being a weenie and hide behind that.
Are you kidding me? Absolutely not. You have like 1,000 points over me. I thought you went behind me. You went
Wrong
the
button.
other- You did. You person. I just healed when I didn't need to. I think I
Bye-bye.
jumped off. Maybe I didn't. I don't know. Ugh. Maybe I'll hit you with that reflected laser sometime. Boom.
Yeah, I'm dead.
Am I hitting myself? No, I think it's you hitting me.
You're dead. We're going on the last round, boys. Going on the last round. Sharp bullet. Let's go ahead and increase that bullet damage for the last round.
I didn't want that. Ah.
Why isn't my grappling hook working?
Good, don't work. Please
There we
don't
go.
work. Oh.
Boom.
No, it's not okay.
Oh, I'm dead.
49
excitation.
critical headshot.
My excitation hasn't been working lately, which is really weird.
I like it not working. I think that's great.
I think it's terrible. And this is your last life, isn't it?
I have no idea. I got slammed and I didn't even get to use it. It is.
That's a little bit sad.
Ugh.
Yep, we're done.
No.
Oh, yes,
That
I
was
won.
terrible. Sniper was a terrible decision.
Oh, I got new armor paint, too. Oh, that
How
was
did you?
really
It's blue.
fun, though. That was really fun. Oh,
Yeah.
that was really fun.
Anyways, guys, that'll do it for today. I hope you enjoyed. Next, we're probably gonna play UpGun again soon. I think I'll do 2 more videos UpGun. because I did 4 videos of Bigfoot, I'll do 2 more of UpGun. That'll be 4 videos of UpGun. So keep an eye out for those. We'll probably do some interesting things. We'll probably use decks where you can get specific, or be more likely to get specific cards that you choose. So that'll be interesting. Also, don't forget to check out Kuwatch's channel because he's got videos of this. Actually, he's got a video. He'll probably have a video of this same game on his channel, so you can see his perspective. And he's also got funny Bigfoot videos up there, just to say. We've got funny Bigfoot videos. The Bigfoot videos are so good. They're so funny. We die in them. It's great.
Yes, they're hilarious.
Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you next time.